on-demand application. First point, guys, on-premise applications are nothing but by installing the software in your local system, we will build or we will develop the application. So here I am taking a small example, guys. So I am taking the Java application. Okay, so if you want to design the Java application, first of all, what we need to do? See guys, if you want to design the Java application means the first point you need to purchase the Java license. So once you purchase the Java license, then what we need to do? We need to install those licenses to our local system. So in general, who will take care of these installations? Admin team. See guys, here admin team is working for our organization, so we need to pay the salaries to this admin team. And what about the database? You need to purchase your own database like SQL, Informatica, Oracle, whatever it may be. You need to purchase your own database. And the next one is, what about the servers? You need to maintain your own servers. Now guys, do you think this is a cost effective? Your on-premise applications are cost effective? No, right? See guys, what's happening here? If you want to use the Java application means, first of all, you need to purchase the Java license. And the second thing is, here to install those licenses, we need the administration. So guys, so the admins are working for our organization, so we need to pay the salaries to this admin team, and you need to maintain your own database. And one more important thing is, you need to maintain your own servers also. So see guys, here unnecessarily we are paying this much amount. So here your on-premise applications are very costly, guys. So that is the reason all the organizations are looking for on-demand application. So what is mean by on demand? See guys, on demand applications are nothing but without installing the software, we will build or we will develop the application. So remember guys, on demand applications are nothing but without installing the software, we will build or we will develop the application. And see guys, I'm taking a small example. So everybody aware of Facebook application, right? Facebook. So see guys, the first point, if you want to use the Facebook application, do you need to install any software? No. So we no need to install any software. In that case, is there any use of your admin team? No. And see, every day we are uploading the pictures, we are sharing the videos. So who will take care of your database? Your Facebook itself. So we don't need to worry about this database also. And see here, I'm not maintaining the database, so we no need to worry about the server. So now, do you think it is a cost effective? Yes, right, because we no need to pay the salaries to our admin team, and we no need to maintain our own database. We no need to worry about the servers also. So remember, here the Facebook is a free applications, guys. But if there is any licensing cost, we will purchase the license. That's it, guys. Apart from that, you no need to spend single rupee also. Got it? So remember this point, guys. What is the use of this on-demand, on-premise application? On-premise applications are nothing but by installing the software in your local system, we will build or we will develop the applications. And what about the on-demand applications? On-demand applications are nothing but without installing the software, we will build or we will develop the application. On-premise applications are very costly. But what about the on-demand? On-demand applications are cost-effective one. And the next important point, guys, here your on-premise applications and on-demand applications. So here our Salesforce comes under on-demand application, guys. Okay, so if you want to access the salesforce.com means you no need to maintain your own servers, you no need to install any software, you no need to purchase any database also. Got it? So any questions here? Any questions? Everybody clear? Okay, I'm taking as a no questions. We'll move on to the next slide. So see guys, the next point in our Salesforce is cloud computing. Guys, very important term. What is mean by cloud computing and why we are using this cloud computing? Remember this point guys, the cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. So remember, the cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. And your cloud computing mainly depends on three terms. First one is a software as a service, second one is a platform as a service, and the third one is a infrastructure as a service. So first point guys, what is mean by software as a service? So see, SaaS or software as a service, both are same guys. See, the software as a service is nothing but the way of deliver the application over the internet. And see guys, the software as a service, we will call it as a hosted software, web-based software, and on-demand software also. And see guys, one more important point, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. So remember, what is a SaaS? A SaaS is nothing but software as a service. So the way of deliver the application over the internet. And see guys, one more important point, the software as a service, sometimes we will call it as a hosted software, web-based software, and on-demand software. Whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. See guys, I'm taking a small example here. See here, we are having the internet banking. So net banking. So what is the use of this application? See, by using of this internet banking, we will transfer the funds. We will verify the mini statement. We will check your beneficiary account numbers. Am I right? So see guys, here you are storing your beneficiary account numbers. You are verifying the mini statement. See, very secure data. Am I right guys? So here who will take care of your database? Who will take care of your data storage and who will take care of your application performance? See, here if you are using the Axis Bank internet banking means your Axis Bank will take care of your database. Your Axis Bank will take care of your data storage and your Axis Bank will take care of your application performance. So remember, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. Okay, and the next guys, see here, we are having very important interview question guys, multi-tenant architecture. So what is mean by multi-tenant architecture? So remember this point, multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. So remember, multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. So see, I'm taking a small example guys here. Here I am planning to open the Facebook application. At the same time, my friend is in Europe. If you want, he can access the same Facebook application, and if you want, he can store the data into same Facebook servers. And one of other friend have located in Australia. So if you want, he can access the same Facebook application. See guys, at the same time, we all are using the Facebook application and we all are storing the data into same Facebook server. So here this is nothing but multi-tenant architecture. So remember guys, multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application or same resources at particular time, then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. And see here, the second point I specified, our SaaS applications are very easy to access. Why I said it's very easy to access? Because see guys, if you want to access your SaaS application, do you need to install any software? No. Do you need to maintain any servers? No. Do you need to take care of database? No. So that is the reason I specified all the SaaS applications are very easy to access. And see here, the next one is high adoption. What is mean by high adoption? Remember guys, your SaaS applications will not depend on any operating system or any processor. See, if you want, you can access your Facebook application in i3 processor, i5 processor, i7 processor, and Polycom processor, anything. So if you want, you can access the data from Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and Mac, whatever it may be. So remember guys, your SaaS applications will not depend on any operating system or any processor. And see one more point guys, low initial cost. So why I'm specifying low initial cost? Because see, apart from your licensing cost, you no need to spend single rupee also. So that is the reason we're just simply specifying the low initial cost. Got it? Now guys, any questions in the software as a service? Anyone? Everybody clear? Okay. So guys, the next one is see here. Yeah, any questions?
Can you explain about once again high adoption?
Ganesh, your voice is very low, Ganesh. Could you speak some bit louder?
Yeah, can you explain once again about high adoption?
Okay, you want me to explain about the software as a service?
No, high adoption. Benefits of
Okay.
SAS.
Okay. So high adoption is nothing but your SaaS applications will not depend on any operating system or any processor. So see, I'm taking a small example. So if you are using the Facebook application, means you can access that Facebook application from i3 processor, i5 processor, i7 processor, Qualcomm processor, anything. Am I right, Ganesh? At the same time, if you want, you can access the Facebook application from Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Unix, and Mac, whatever it may be. So your SaaS applications will not depend on any operating system or any processor. Now you got it, Ganesh?
Yes.
Okay. So any other questions, guys? Software as a service? Okay, we'll move on to the platform as a service. So what is mean by platform as a service? Remember guys, the platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own applications. See guys, if you are using the Facebook application, so is it possible to display the emails in Facebook application? So is it possible to display the emails in Facebook application? No, right? Because see guys, in the Facebook application, we don't have the access to their platform. See here, the platform as a service is nothing but it will provide the platform to build your own applications. Okay, so Salesforce is the best example for this platform as a service, guys. So in this Salesforce platform, you can design our own applications. Okay, so remember this point. What is a platform as a service? A platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own applications. And see, the last one is infrastructure as a service. So what is meant by infrastructure as a service? So remember this point guys, infrastructure as a service is nothing but it includes your storage, your hardware, your network components, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. See guys, just now we discussed about the software as a service, right? At the time we discussed whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security and application performance. See, if you are using the Facebook application, means your Facebook will take care of your database, your data security and application performance. But somewhere the Facebook need to store the data, right? So your Facebook needs some servers, right? So your Facebook needs some infrastructure, right? So that's everything comes under infrastructure as a service. So remember, what is a infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service is nothing but it includes your storage, your hardware, your network components, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. Okay. So remember guys, this concept is very important. First we discussed about the cloud computing. What is mean by cloud computing? The cloud computing is nothing but storing and accessing the data or programs over the internet. Then we will call it as cloud computing. The second important point is our cloud computing mainly depends on three terms. First one is a SaaS, second one is a PaaS, and third one is a IaaS. First of all, what is a SaaS? SaaS is nothing but software as a service, the way of deliver the application over the internet. And the software as a service, sometimes we will call it as a hosted software, web-based software, and on-demand software. One more important point, guys, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. Next point, guys, we are having the multi-tenant architecture. Very important interview question. Multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time. Then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. Next one, guys, we are having the platform as a service. So what is mean by platform as a service? So platform as a service is nothing but we will provide the platform to build our own applications. And the next one is infrastructure as a service. So what is mean by infrastructure as a service? So remember guys, infrastructure as a service is nothing but it will include your hardware, your storage components, your servers, everything, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. And one more important point, guys, whoever providing the software, they will take care of this infrastructure also. Okay, any questions here? Any questions, guys? Everybody clear?
Yes, we're going with this.
Excellent. So after the infrastructure as a service, finally we are coming to the Salesforce.com. So what is the Salesforce.com and why we need the Salesforce.com? So now remember guys, Salesforce.com is nothing but it is a cloud computing, social enterprise, and then software as a service. It's founded in 1999. Mark Benioff, he is the CEO and founder of our Salesforce.com. So remember, Salesforce.com is a cloud computing, social enterprise software as a service. It's founded in 1999. Mark Benioff, he is the founder and CEO of our Salesforce.com. And one more important point, guys. See, our Salesforce support these three architectures, guys: SaaS architecture, PaaS architecture, and IaaS architecture. So see, whenever you purchase the Salesforce licensed version, or whenever you create the free trial edition, defaultly you will get the software, guys. So if this software fit for your organization, means that's well and good, you can use that particular software. If that software not fit for your organization, means your Salesforce allow you to create your own custom application. Nothing but your Salesforce will provide the platform. So in that platform you can design your own application. And finally, infrastructure. So here your Salesforce providing the software, right? So here your Salesforce will take care of this infrastructure also. Got it? And the next point, guys, see, our Salesforce best to known as CRM product. So what is mean by CRM and why we need the CRM? Remember, guys, CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. Remember this point? What is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. So what is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. Okay, so I'm taking a small example for the CRM, guys. See, if you visit to any shopping mall, they will offer the reward points, the cashback points, right? So what is the use of this cashback? See guys, the first important thing is what they will do. So if you purchase for $1,000, you will get $10 as a cashback. But in the terms and conditions, they just simply specified you need to use the $10 only in the shopping mall. So by using of this one, what will happen? We are trying to retain the customer. Am I right? So see guys, first of all, what they are doing by using of this cashback, they are trying to retain the customer. And the second important thing guys, what they will do, whenever you purchase any product, they just simply swipe your card. Am I right? So whenever they swipe your card, they will track all your purchase transaction. So after 3 months or 6 months, they just simply create a report. Okay, so the last quarter we sell 100 Peppy jeans, but we sell only 10 D Cooper. So what they are doing, they're just simply knowing the public pulse, and they are just simply add the offer. So they just simply add the offer on Lee Cooper, buy one get one free. So that what will happen, along with the Peppy jeans, they will improve the Lee Cooper sales also. So these all are the CRM strategies, guys. So every organization having their own strategy. So see, the important thing is what is mean by CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. Got it? Any other questions, guys? Anyone? Everybody clear so far? So, do you have any questions on the trainings, the certifications, Salesforce, anything? So, everybody clear? So, if everyone clear, then the next class will see how to create the developer account in our Salesforce. Then we'll start working on the developer account. Like, see, next class we'll see how to create the applications in our Salesforce, how to create the objects, how to create the fields. Everything we'll discuss in the next class. Okay? Any other questions, guys?
So what are the various products of Salesforce.com, and can you elaborate a little bit on that?
What
And
product? I'm not get your point, Krishna.
so Salesforce.com has various products, right? So Force.com and all this, I mean, I read somewhere.
See, the
So
force.com is nothing but, see, here just now we discussed it, right? Software as a service, platform as a service. So force.com is nothing but that is our Salesforce platform. Okay, here we are not specifying any products like that. So here the platform as a service, the salesforce.com, the platform name we are calling as a platform as a service. That's it. Okay, sorry. The platform as a service we will call it as a force.com. Here everything we will implement in the Salesforce account only. See here what we will do. I told you, right, we will create the developer account. So for example, if you want to access the developer account, see, this is the login URL, login.salesforce.com. So just simply login. So I'm already having the credentials, so I specified that credential. So this is the user interface. So whatever you want to do, you need to perform all the operation here itself. That's it, Jay Krishna. We don't have any different products like that. That's what your question, Jay Krishna.
yes, yes.
So everybody clear, guys? Any other questions?
So what exactly we would be covering as part of this training? I mean, I know at a higher level you mentioned admin as well as developer.
So you
So
want that, you are looking for the content, Jay Krishna?
yeah,
So our team will share the course content also, Jay Krishna. What are the admin concepts we covered? What are the development concept? Everything they will share it by today. Okay.
And I have a question, sir, actually.
Yes, Haima, please.
Yeah, you told me like we do be getting a certification after some exams and all that.
Mhm.
So yeah, what do you say about that? Like, do we need to get a certification for sure?
Not like that, Hema. See, the not sure if you have the certification means that there will be a weightage for your resume. That's it, Hema.
Oh, all right. Like when I'm starting my marketing, like if I have the certification, it will be a weightage for my resume, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right. So when would like you'll be getting like exams will be like after this training or like in the between of a training?
See, once we complete the admin training, then you can go for the admin 201. Once we complete the
All right.
development, then you can start writing app builder or platform.
All right. And how much time it takes to complete the sales course? So like 1 month or 1.5 month?
Yes, it will take 1 month.
1 month for the admin and the development too?
Yes, 1 month for admin plus development.
All right, all right, all right. So this is the timings for the class, like daily from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
The timings our team will get back to you, Haima.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for
Oh,
that. Actually,
yeah.
all right.
Okay, guys, any
So
other?
are you planning on doing some real-time examples as well, Karthik, or what
Sorry,
exactly is the
I'm
plan?
not get your point.
Now, while doing the, let's say, developer creating a project and that kind of stuff, are we taking any real-time examples from your past experience?
That's what I told you, right, J. Krishna. Here, every concept we will take the real-time examples and we will implement that examples in the class itself. I told you, right, J. Krishna.
Okay.
Any other questions, guys? If everybody clear, then we'll wind up the session for today. Okay, then we'll continue in the next class, guys. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.
Thank you, you too, sir. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.